Okay, well this took us like 5 hours to get together.
So enjoy this video.
Yeah, okay. So we're gonna talk about what are we talking about? Bitches and hoes?
We're gonna talk about like the Sam on the corner of our street. Oh, let's talk about what we're gonna do tonight.
Oh yeah, let's tell you about our night venture.
But we're gonna have today.
Yeah. Okay, we're gonna talk about what are we doing?
We're gonna
I'll tell the story about like the house.
Oh yeah, so there's a house. There's a house. It's, right next door. And there's like just one little gate blocking it. But in that house, a guy died, and one day we felt something really, really bad next to my house, and we didn't know what it was. And a couple days later,
it was just a dead man. Okay, we get it.
Okay, yeah, but okay, a guy died in there, and like they left the dead man in there for a month. So we're all gonna like, okay, a whole bunch of people have been breaking into their house. So anyway, we're just gonna go dress up in black and just go there. We're not gonna go inside the house, but we're just gonna run around just to get some stamina up, you know, get our hearts beating, you know, beep beep. Okay, and that's pretty much all we're gonna do.
Sorry for
I need to text back to neighbors. Anyway.
You want my number? Oh, too bad. No, I'm joking.
Just kidding.
Oh.
No.
Okay, so that's our night. You want to say, okay, what big adventures have happened to us lately?
All of ours.
Together or just in general?
Together. Monday.
We had a nice skating time.
Yeah,
we went skating, and
we took some nice ass pictures.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I took a picture like right next.
MySpace. You
I
took. Want it, then talk to me on YouTube.
Her MySpace username is ABC_poop.
Okay.
And mine is, I forgot. And Samantha's is.
You don't know.
Alright, so obviously we have all friends, and she's on our top list.
No one ever messages me, so you should message me.
Yeah.
Alright, do whatever you gotta do.
And my username is Juliet Sailboat. Sailboat, thanks to her.
My username is heart. If you know how to do the heart, it's and hearts. The word hearts, and then little colons. Okay.
And I don't know people I don't know, so I'll talk to you on YouTube.
But anyway,
yeah.
It's Elena with ELANAA. And then
stop giving out personal information.
Yeah.
No, are they really gonna find me and stalk me?
You never know.
They know what you look like, and they know your name's Elena.
Yes, and they know you're friends with me.
And me.
Whatever.
And they know you have a cell phone.
But I have a dad.
Do not. Snoop Dogg will come after you.
Oh man, I need to go on the internet again. Anyway, we're gonna kind of probably block out that part. We should block out that part about me giving out. Like, when we'll upload the video and I have a video.
How do you edit it?
Because I have an editor on my freaking computer.
Me too. I just need to figure out how to do it.
Yeah, well, we're gonna use mine because we're gonna upload this crap tonight.
Yes.
But we're gonna use mine and we're gonna cut that out. Why am I even talking about it?
Yeah, we could cut
that
part out too, but we probably are.
You're not even gonna know. Hey, we need to have like random music on this. Somebody go get my charger.
Where is it?
Over there behind my bed. How long can this thing record?
I don't know.
10 minutes to put it on YouTube.
Oh, what does this say here?
This is Jeffy's fucking star.
Don't be hating on like what we look like or anything.
I know.
That just bugs me. Don't be hating on no shirt, no bandanas, no face, no eyes, no lips, no nose.
Yeah!
If you hate on it, we'll hate right back on it.
You hate Hollywood? Just be like, don't be like, I hate that effing band, blah, blah, blah. Be like, I do not like this.
Really, we don't care. We really don't care about your stupid opinions.
Yeah.
Nobody cares about your opinions.
Suck on my giant one.
What are you doing?
I'm going on a double date. Maybe
no, or triple, quadruple.
Date. With my
so
guy.
where are we going?
I love my lava lamp.
Oh yes, watch your lava lamp videos. Beautiful.
And then wait, watch the Your Mother video on my profile, which I don't even have it on my computer anymore, but it's on my YouTube thingy.
Watch mine. I don't really feel like saying it, but they're there. Like
She
crazy
has, like,
songs.
50.
Yeah. Or Walk with Roberto. Watch those.
There's like 3 parts to it. It's like part 1, part 2, part 3. But they're really interesting videos and you would love it.
Yes, you get to see the adventures in Sylvan Middle School and Mesa.
You just said
So-
school.
Today
We'll
we're
edit that out.
Today we're acting like complete hobos in my room. We're all sitting around in a circle. Me and Julia actually, and Sam. She was sitting there too. But me and Julia were talking. We're talking about personal life experiences about rape
Oh,
and her harassing boyfriend, ex-boyfriend.
yeah. I was gonna see this.
Andrew Kinsey. Yeah, I got him in my video. Yeah, and we all.
Hey, it's Andrew Kinsey. K-E-N-Z-I. You can go up and down. I don't care.
I got a new boyfriend.
She has a new boyfriend. His name is Sam, and I don't know his last name because he won't
It's
tell
like
me.
Mosa.
Oh my god, guess what I'm going on with this?
What?
I'm joking.
It's like after my text message. Oh my god, guess what I'm going on with? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Jared, help me on freaking.
That's me. I'm still online.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I read this one and I was like,
kept myself
hey.
signed in.
Wow, nice. Oh, that's my hot. I would pay to see that. LOL.
Shut up.
I took pictures. But yeah, I really gotta sneeze, guys. I'm sorry that we're texting. It's just kind of life thing, yeah. Just don't get all my surgery. Oh my god! So,
I'm gonna text you something, Julia.
after I called Justin, I was just like,
Oh, sorry, we're going to the board. We got business to take care of.
oh my god, Jared, pick up your phone! Jared, Barrett, and yeah, you called me when I was driving, by the way. LOL. Oh my gosh. Pick up your phone. Please. We can see the sunrise before us. My voice really doesn't sound like this. I know it's probably annoying and it was me.
What the fuck?
Why? Turn off your music. My ringtones are better.
Okay.
Oh, turn my shit on.
Read this.
Who?
Ignore that. Shit.
Who? Oh. Ew.
I know.
Oh, I thought this was like Sam, my Sam. I was like,
Okay, turn this off because I have an idea of a new video.
Bye.
Turn it
Bye,
off, turn
say
it off.
bye.
Bye.